Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in science and technology. In today's video, we will discuss how 3D printing is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. So let's dive in. 3D printer. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of creating three-dimensional objects by adding layer upon layer of material. It has gained popularity over the years due to its ability to create complex shapes and designs that are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. In traditional manufacturing, creating a product requires molds or tools, which can be time-consuming and expensive to produce. However, with 3D printing, the production of the molds and tools is no longer required. This allows manufacturers to create small quantities of products without incurring high tooling costs. The use of 3D printing also makes it possible to create customized products. For instance, medical implants can be tailored to fit an individual's unique anatomy, resulting in a better fit and reduced risk of complications. Furthermore, 3D printing reduces the amount of waste produced during the manufacturing process, as only the exact amount of material required to create the object is used. This is especially important for industries that produce large quantities of plastic waste. Another advantage of 3D printing is the ability to rapidly prototype and test new designs. This allows manufacturers to identify potential problems and make changes before committing to large-scale production. In conclusion, 3D printing has revolutionized the manufacturing industry by reducing costs, increasing customization, reducing waste, and allowing for rapid prototyping. It has the potential to transform various industries and create new opportunities for innovation. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting topics on science and technology. See you in the next video.